Will we soon see sports betting in Ohio? And if so, what could it look like? Those are questions many are wondering after the Supreme Court struck down a federal law today, paving the way for states to legalize betting on sports. Will Uick has details on what this all means.
What happens in Vegas may not be staying in Vegas anymore. The Supreme Court issued a decision today to remove the 1992 federal law banning state-authorized sports betting. The law gave exceptions to states that had already approved sports wagering. It didn't, however, cover animal races, which is why states were able to get away with horse and dog track gambling.
So now it'll be up to the individual states to decide whether or not to make sports betting legal. If Ohio decides to go that route, it'll open it up for the casino and racinos in town to look a little more like Vegas, and that's exactly what Wall Street is expecting, with the stock prices for casino operators and equipment manufacturers surging after the ruling was announced.
Prohibition in sports gambling has come to an end today, and it's about time.
The American Gaming Association estimates that Americans illegally wager about $150 billion on sports each year. As far as how the leagues feel, MLB issued a statement saying the Supreme Court ruling would have profound effects. NBA Commissioner Adam Silver says they remain in favor of a federal framework that would provide a uniform approach to sports gambling. Representatives for the NHL and NFL say they're still analyzing it. Casinos around the country, on the other hand, are pretty pleased. Monmouth Park has already set up a sportsbook operation at the Jersey Shore and says it could start taking bets within 2 weeks. On the local level, the CEO of Jack Entertainment says under the proper regulations, they'd support sports betting in Ohio, adding, quote, "Certainly there is significant guest interest in sports betting being available at our facilities." And the president of Tropicana Entertainment says his Atlantic City casino will absolutely offer sports betting and, quote, "It's been a long time coming." Will Uick, Channel 3 News.
And one research firm estimates that sports betting would be offered in 32 states within 5 years.